Seedance 2.0 is finally here on Higgsfield. In this video I am exploring text to video, image to video, elements, video extent and more. Also we'll see if it's nerfed or you can create videos with your own face. There is a lot to see, so let's get into it. Okay, here I am on Higgsfield main page. If you want to try it out, link is in the description down below. And later I'll talk more about in which plans is Seedance 2.0 available. There are already many exemplary videos here, as you can see, but I will start creating my own. So video, then Seedance 2.0. This is nice to see. So we can use and upload media, I think up to 6 images, 3 videos and 1 sound in one sequence. I'll explain that later. Now let's start from the basics, so text to video. Here is a very long prompt of cinematic continuous shot of a crowded medieval market. All of the prompts will be available on my website as usual. Let's click 15 seconds, generate 90 credits, 69, you can even choose 21, 9, but we'll keep that and generate. And here is our video, so let's look at it. Now let's use 4 different elements, 4 different images to create a fast pacing fashion video. So shot 1, 0 to 2 seconds, outfit image 1, shot 2, outfit image 2, changes, fast pacing image 3, image 4. This is the result. When you upload the images, it will check first if it is eligible to be used at all, or you will be blocked by the policy. So you see, all of those dresses are eligible, and now it's time to try creating videos with our own face. So there are a couple of ways how you can do that. Of course, you can always just simply upload an image. You see here, protected content is not allowed. Okay, let's upload. Okay, this same image of myself on the green screen, and you see it is checking automatically. Sometimes this method will work, sometimes not. For example, you see here it is still checking, and here I uploaded this half an hour ago, and it is eligible already, and we can easily use our own face. So just click here, here is my image. Just simple prompt here for a test, walking, 69, generate, and you see it is generating. That will be fine. I previously generated just to have things faster. And here is the video, simple one, you know, nothing special here. Just wanted to showcase that it can be done, because depending on the platform, Seedance 2.0, the new version, will not allow real faces to video in many cases. But the better approach is actually creating AI version of yourself using Nano Banana, for example. So just upload your real image and then create whatever you want out of yourself. But the best thing is always, if you want to have a consistency, to create a professional character reference sheet. So, you know, something like this. And then you can easily like that image. I like this one. Then also you can create image using Higgsfield Soul in the Soul ID. And you can also use Cinema Studio 3.0, which is for now in early access, to build your cast and your characters. You know, checking the action, drama, budget, era, archetype, identity, everything that I explained in this video previously. Or you can just click randomize and then generate the characters. When the character is generated, you can just click on, for example, like here. And then when you go back to Seedance 2.0 and here on media, here liked, here is, for example, that image of myself, different image of myself, eligible, and also this character. But nonetheless, even when everything is checked and eligible, sometimes you will receive not safe for work, like this time. So credits refunded, that's okay, but restricted content detected. What is the restricted content? The restricted content is my face this time. This is not because of the Higgsfield, this is because of the Seedance 2.0. So here, simple prompt of myself walking in a dark hallway, camera follows him. Let's see that. Kind of a weird face, but okay.
Dom, this is huge.
Well, that's what she said.
And she reminds me of some actor. So you see, sometimes it passes with the reference image of yourself, sometimes not. Now, what about video reference feature? So for example, if you would like to copy the camera movements from this legendary scene from the TV series Severance, you see I uploaded here the 15-second version of the video, but it is not eligible because it contains real human faces and actually Hollywood actors, so not eligible. Then what I did, I turned this video into cartoon version of the same video, so the same camera movements, everything, but you know, it is a cartoon version, and then it is eligible. So that's a one workaround if you would like to use that kind of a reference feature with humans and with camera movements, which is great in this one. And then simply realistic man with a beard, rugged in his 50s in elevator in image 1. Camera movements are completely referenced from video 1, so from this one, and then he goes out into the image 2, so this hallway, referring to video 1 as a robotic arm follow a character gaze from multiple angles. This is our video. So yeah, turn your videos into cartoon and then use it as a reference and then it will work. Then let's talk about video extend feature. So for that one, first of course we need a video. So I created one interesting video from the text prompt here. Let's look at it. Very good. And then to extend the video, you can just write extend the video and it will do something, but it is better to write your own prompt. So for example, continuing from the high speed charge, shot 1, shot, do what you like, but first upload a media. So here we have image generations, video generations, elements. Let's use video generations. Here is that video that we created. You see, it is eligible. Click on it. Then choose last 3 or 4 seconds, save. Video is now here, and then we are referencing that video to create another video that should keep that temporal consistency and be very nice. And here it is. Here is our robot again on the streets. Running. Nice. And then I prompted it for another robot to appear. And punch him in the face. Then I think this another one punched the another one in the face. I don't know what happened here, but yeah, it did extend the video. Of course, doing image to video using this kind of images, so cartoonish like, will work great. Click here, then we have a nice prompt, and this is our video. Yeah, I mean, that worked great. Then we have a very complex text-to-video prompt of a bullet freeze, of a time freeze, and as you can see, it did not pass at the first time. So there is also a nice workaround that you can do for those kind of scenarios. Because if it finds some kind of offensive, perhaps words or something like that, it will stop the generation. So then you can go to Gemini, Claude or ChatGPT or whatever, and then just write. So I wrote this prompt in Seedance 2.0, but it violated content policy. Then paste your prompt, and then you see to bypass these filters while keeping your time pause concept intact, you should focus on mutual participation of styles, visual effects, and then it revised the prompt completely, copied that prompt, and here we have our video that is created. If then again it didn't work, then once again ask Gemini, Claude or ChatGPT to revise, and you will get there. Luckily, credits are refunded. Here is that nice time freeze video. That's a great effect.
What just happened?
Now let's also test physics using one of the more complex prompts of a Rube Goldberg machine, which was almost impossible, and it's still impossible for all other AI video generators. Let's see what Seedance came out, and then we'll check Veo, Sora and Kling. So nice start. Good. Relatively, I mean. Okay, this one stayed inside. This one's going now. Nice one, with several glitches, of course. But now see glitches in Veo 3.1. Oh yeah. Nice one, huh? Then we also have Kling 3.0. Not very good. Oh. Many laws of physics are broken here, but okay. Here is Grok Imagine. And here is Sora 2 Pro. And now I'll leave you with several other cool videos that I created here, and then I'll talk about the access and the plans available.
Precision redefined.
So now let's check how to access. If I click on pricing here, you see Seedance 2.0 official access with personal 55% off. Okay, and then in plans, we have Starter, Plus, Ultra and Business. Here for Ultra, Plus and Starter, it says coming soon. At the time of the recording of this video, I think this will be very soon available. And then you have availability in Business plan. With regards to credits, 10 seconds will cost you 60 credits if Seedance 2.0, or if Seedance 2.0 fast, half of that almost, so 35 credits for a 10 seconds video. Comparing that, for example, to Kling, it will cost you 30 credits for 15 seconds. Then we have also, I don't know, Google VO, 60 credits, similar. And then Sora was always the most expensive. So for example, especially Sora 2 Pro, you see 89 credits for 12-second video. So yeah, I'm very happy that Seedance 2.0 is finally available on Higgsfield, and I will use it more and more and share all the findings with you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.